Hey there, everybody, and welcome back. Are you ready for another deep dive with us?
Absolutely. Always ready to dive deep into the fascinating world of AI.
Well, today we're going to uncover how this, I guess you could say incredible technology is already enhancing our world.
Yeah, in ways we might not even realize.
Right, like it's happening all around us.
Exactly.
So today we are exploring AI in action, pioneering our collective future.
Oh, that sounds promising.
It is. It's a document that kind of takes us beyond just the headlines.
I like that.
You know, it actually shows how AI is making a real difference, like a real difference in people's lives.
That's what I'm interested in, the real world impact.
Yeah. We're talking like medicine, education,
Okay.
food, energy, you name it.
Sounds like it covers a lot of ground.
Yeah. AI is probably already making it better.
I'm intrigued. Let's jump in.
Okay, so first up, AI in medicine. Imagine a world where diseases are tackled before they even become serious problems.
Sounds amazing, almost like science fiction.
Right.
Yeah.
Well, that future might be closer than you think.
Oh, really?
Yeah. This document highlights an AI system,
Okay.
and it was developed by DeepMind.
I've heard of them.
Yeah. And it can actually predict how proteins fold.
Whoa, that's impressive. But can I interrupt for a second? I need a little help understanding this. Like, what's so special about how proteins fold?
Oh, yeah.
Yeah.
Okay, so think of proteins as the tiny machines that, make our bodies work.
Okay.
It's all about how they fold.
Yeah.
That determines their function.
I see.
So if we can understand how proteins fold, we can understand how diseases work, and then develop, targeted treatments.
That makes sense. So this AI is like a super-powered protein origami master.
Uh-huh. Yeah.
That's a pretty cool way to put it.
Uh-huh.
It is pretty impressive.
It is. And what's really remarkable is that this AI can simulate protein structures in weeks.
Weeks.
Yeah. It's a task that would take human scientists centuries.
Wow. That's a huge time difference.
Huge. So that means we can potentially develop new drugs and therapies much, much faster
Makes sense.
and more affordably, which is amazing.
Oh, definitely. More affordable medicine is something we all want.
Yeah. So what does this mean for you, the listener?
Mm.
Imagine a future where treatments are tailored to your unique genetic makeup.
You mean personalized medicine?
Yeah. Personalized medicine. That can address your specific needs with incredible precision.
That's incredible.
Right.
Yeah, very cool. And this is not just like a theoretical possibility.
No.
The document, it mentions that there's a lot of buzz online.
Oh, really?
Yeah. With the hashtag AI cure.
Hashtag AI cure, all right.
Trending as people imagine a future where diseases are tackled with, AI-powered precision.
It's exciting to see people kind of embracing the potential of AI, to revolutionize healthcare. But it's not just medicine, right?
Oh, no, not at all.
Getting an AI boost. Let's move on to education.
Okay, yeah.
Education's a big one.
The document highlights a fascinating example in rural India.
Oh, interesting.
There's this AI platform being used there
Yeah.
that provides personalized education for, each student.
Really? For each student?
Yeah. Regardless of, their background or learning style.
Whoa. So instead of a one-size-fits-all approach,
Right.
this AI tailors the learning experience to each individual student.
Exactly.
That sounds like a game changer.
It is.
Yeah.
It adapts to each student's learning pace,
Oh, wow.
identifies areas where they might be struggling,
Really?
and then it adjusts the content in real time
Oh, wow.
to make sure they truly understand.
That is wild.
Yeah.
Imagine a classroom where every student feels seen, heard, and supported,
Yeah, that's a beautiful thought.
in their learning journey.
Yeah.
That's the kind of transformative impact AI can have on education. And it's already happening.
That's amazing.
The document mentions that educators and students are sharing their success stories under the hashtag AI education.
Hashtag AI education. I love that. It's truly inspiring to see how AI is empowering, both teachers and students, creating a more inclusive and effective learning environment.
Okay, so we've talked about health and education, two areas that directly impact our lives.
Yeah.
But what about something even more fundamental, like food?
Food. Okay.
Can AI help us ensure everyone has enough to eat,
That's a big one.
especially in a world facing climate change and a growing population?
Right. This document highlights an incredible example of how AI is being used to address food security.
Okay.
In Kenya, there's an AI-driven farming system that helps farmers, optimize their crop planting
Oh, wow.
and irrigation.
So we have AI telling farmers how to farm.
Haha, well, kinda.
That's fascinating. Tell me more.
This AI system uses real-time weather data
Okay.
and other relevant information to provide farmers with personalized advice.
Personalized advice for farmers.
Yeah, on when to plant, how much to irrigate,
Right.
and like other, key decisions.
Wow, so it's very specific to that farmer.
Yeah. The goal is to maximize crop yield while minimizing, environmental impact.
That's amazing.
Yeah.
It sounds like AI is helping farmers work smarter, not harder,
Yeah,
and ensuring we can produce enough food to feed everyone, like sustainably.
exactly. And this is crucial in a world where climate change is, making traditional farming practices more challenging. The document mentions that the hashtag AI farming is trending.
Hashtag AI farming.
Nuts. As people discuss how this technology can be scaled up to address global food challenges.
It's exciting to see how AI is sparking these important conversations
Right.
and like driving innovation in the agricultural sector.
Yeah.
But we're not done yet.
Oh, there's more.
Haha.
Yeah.
Let's talk about energy. We all know renewable energy is crucial for a sustainable future.
Absolutely, yeah.
But what if we could make it even more efficient?
That's a great question.
This document highlights a new AI algorithm that's designed to optimize solar panel orientation
Okay.
and energy distribution.
Wow.
So this AI is basically making solar panels smarter,
Haha, that's one way to put it. It constantly adjusts solar panels to capture the maximum amount of sunlight,
even on cloudy days.
even on cloudy days.
Wow.
Yeah.
That makes solar power like a more viable and widespread option.
Yeah, absolutely.
Imagine a world powered by, clean, efficient, AI-optimized solar energy.
That's the dream.
Yeah, that's the future AI is helping us build. And the best part is that people are already talking about it.
Oh, yeah.
The document mentions the hashtag AI solar power.
Hashtag AI solar power.
It was trending as people envision a future where like AI transforms our energy landscape.
That's awesome. It's a reminder that AI is not just a technology. It's a tool to enhance our world, address global challenges,
Yeah.
and create a more sustainable future for everyone.
This is all so incredible. It seems like AI is already having a profound impact on our world, and we've only just begun to explore its potential, right?
It's just the tip of the iceberg. Yeah, it really is just the beginning. What's remarkable is that these are just a few examples, of how AI is already making a difference.
It's crazy.
And as AI continues to evolve, its potential to transform our world,
Yeah.
it will only grow.
It's mind-blowing to think about how much AI is already doing
Right.
and how much more it could do in the future.
It is.
We've seen how it's revolutionizing healthcare, making education more accessible, helping us feed a growing population sustainably.
All these huge issues.
But let's dive a little deeper into some of these areas. We talked about personalized medicine, but I'm curious to know more about how this protein folding AI actually works. Like, what are the, I guess you could say, like technical challenges involved?
Yeah, it's a complex process for sure.
Yeah.
But essentially, this AI uses deep learning algorithms to analyze vast amounts of data about proteins
Okay.
and their structures,
Mhm. Right.
And by understanding the underlying principles of protein folding, the AI can predict how a given protein will fold,
Well,
even if it's a protein that's never been studied before.
that sounds like something out of, a science fiction movie.
It does, doesn't it?
But wouldn't personalized medicine raise some concerns about data privacy
Oh, for sure.
and access?
Yeah, those are important points.
How do we ensure fairness in this, I guess you could say, new healthcare landscape?
You bring up a really, really important point. As with any powerful technology,
Right.
there are ethical considerations that need to be addressed.
For sure.
Ensuring data privacy and equitable access to these advancements, those are crucial aspects
Right.
that researchers and policymakers are actively working on.
It's reassuring to know that those concerns are being taken seriously. Now let's shift gears and talk more about AI and education.
Okay.
We mentioned that personalized learning platform in India,
Yeah.
but I'm curious about how AI could transform education here at home.
Interesting.
Could AI help address issues like teacher shortages
Oh, yeah.
or the achievement gap?
Absolutely. AI has the potential to address many of the challenges facing our education system.
I can see that.
For instance, AI-powered tutoring systems.
Yeah.
They could provide personalized support to students who are struggling.
Okay,
which would then free up teachers to focus on other aspects of teaching.
that makes sense.
AI could also be used to develop adaptive learning platforms,
Right.
that cater to different learning styles and paces.
And that would help close that achievement gap.
Exactly, helping to close the achievement gap.
That sounds amazing.
Yeah.
It's like having a personal tutor for every student.
That's the idea.
But I imagine there are challenges as well. How do we ensure that AI in education doesn't, like, replace teachers altogether?
Oh, that's a good question.
And how do we address potential biases in algorithms?
Yeah, you're right to raise those concerns.
Okay.
It's important to remember that AI should be a tool to, augment and enhance human capabilities,
Okay.
not replace them entirely.
I agree.
Teachers, they play a vital role in education, and AI should be used to support them, not supplant them.
Right.
As for bias, it's crucial to develop AI systems that are fair and unbiased.
Okay.
And this requires careful attention to the data used to train these systems
Right.
and ongoing monitoring to make sure they are working as intended.
It's encouraging to hear that those ethical considerations are being taken seriously. Now, let's turn our attention to food security.
Okay.
We talked about the AI-driven farming system in Kenya.
Yeah, in Kenya.
But how scalable is this technology? Could it be used to address food shortages in other parts of the world?
The potential is certainly there, for sure.
Yeah.
AI-powered farming systems can be adapted to different climates and crops,
Okay.
making them applicable to, a wide range of agricultural contexts.
It seems like it.
The key is to ensure that these systems are accessible and affordable for farmers,
That's a good point.
especially in developing countries.
That makes sense.
Yeah.
Technology is only truly impactful if it reaches the people who need it most. And speaking of impact, let's talk about AI and renewable energy.
Mhm.
We discussed the AI algorithm that optimizes solar panel efficiency.
Yeah.
But beyond solar, how could AI help us transition to a cleaner energy future?
AI can play a role in, virtually every aspect of the energy transition.
Wow.
For instance, AI can be used to optimize energy grids,
Okay.
making them more efficient and reliable.
Okay.
AI can also be used to forecast energy demand,
Right.
which helps to balance supply and demand more effectively.
Right.
And AI can even be used to develop new materials and technologies for renewable energy generation and storage.
It sounds like AI is like a key player in the fight against climate change.
I'd say so, yeah.
But I'm curious, what are some of the challenges in implementing AI for renewable energy? Are there any limitations we need to consider?
One of the biggest challenges is data availability.
Okay.
AI systems need vast amounts of data to learn, right?
Right.
And to make accurate predictions.
Makes sense.
In the energy sector, access to real-time data on energy generation, consumption, and grid performance.
Yeah.
I mean, that's crucial.
Makes sense.
Another challenge is just the complexity of energy systems.
Right.
AI algorithms need to be sophisticated enough to handle the intricacies of these systems and make optimal decisions.
Those are those are valid points. It sounds like there's a need for collaboration between AI experts, energy professionals, and policymakers to overcome these challenges
Absolutely.
and harness the full potential of AI for a cleaner energy future.
Exactly. Collaboration and knowledge sharing are essential to ensure that AI is used responsibly and effectively in the energy sector.
Well, this deep dive has certainly been an eye-opening experience.
Yeah, it has.
It's amazing to see how AI is already having such a profound impact on our world.
For sure.
But I can't help but wonder, what does the future hold for AI?
Right.
What new possibilities and challenges are on the horizon?
The future of AI. I mean, it's incredibly exciting.
Yeah.
And frankly, it's hard to predict exactly what's in store.
Right?
But, if we look at the trends we're seeing now, we can get a glimpse of what might be possible.
Okay.
One thing is for sure, though, AI is going to become even more integrated into our daily lives.
You mean even more than it already is?
Right.
It's kind of hard to imagine given, how much we've already discussed. Yeah. What are some of the areas you see AI making the biggest impact in the coming years? Where do you see it going?
Well, I think we'll see major advancements in fields like robotics,
Okay.
where AI-powered robots could perform tasks that are currently, too dangerous or difficult for humans.
Yeah, okay.
Imagine, robots assisting in disaster relief efforts,
Whoa.
exploring the depths of the ocean,
Wow.
or even helping us build sustainable cities on Mars.
Wow, those are some seriously ambitious goal.
They are.
And what about the concerns some people have about AI, like job displacement?
Ooh, yeah.
Or even AI becoming like too powerful and
Yeah.
uncontrollable?
Yeah, yeah. Those are valid concerns for sure.
Yeah.
And it's important to have like open and honest conversations about them
Right.
as AI becomes more sophisticated, you know?
Right.
It's crucial that we develop it responsibly and ethically.
For sure.
We need to ensure that AI benefits all of humanity,
Right.
not just, a select few.
That's a great point. It sounds like it's not just about the technology itself,
Right.
but also about the values and principles that we embed in it.
Exactly, yeah.
How do we make sure AI is developed and used for good? What are the steps we need to take?
That's the million-dollar question. It requires collaboration
Okay.
between researchers, policymakers,
Okay.
and the public.
I see.
We need to establish clear guidelines
Okay. Yeah.
and regulations for the development and use of AI.
I can see that.
And we also need to, we need to educate people about AI, its
Yeah.
potential benefits, its
Right.
risks,
Right.
so that everyone can participate in shaping its future.
It sounds like we all have a role to play in ensuring that AI is a force for good in the world.
We do.
And speaking of roles, what about the role of creativity
Okay.
and human ingenuity in an AI-driven world?
Mm-hmm.
Will AI replace human artists,
Yeah.
writers, musicians?
I think AI will actually enhance human creativity.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Okay.
AI can be a powerful tool for artists, writers, musicians.
Okay.
It'll provide them with new ways to express themselves,
Mm-hmm.
explore new creative avenues.
Okay.
Think of AI as like a collaborative partner,
Okay.
not a replacement.
That's a really interesting perspective. It's not about AI versus humans. It's about AI and humans working together to create something truly amazing.
Exactly.
So as we kind of wrap up our deep dive into the world of AI, what's one key takeaway you hope our listener will walk away with today?
I think the key takeaway is that, AI is a powerful tool
Yeah.
that has the potential to transform our world for the better.
Okay.
But, it's up to us
Right.
to ensure that AI is developed and used responsibly, ethically, and for the benefit of all humankind.
Wow.
The future of AI, it's
Yeah.
not predetermined.
Right.
It's something we are all shaping together.
That's a powerful message. And I think what's so exciting is that, we're all part of this journey.
We are, yeah.
We all have a role to play in shaping the future of AI.
Absolutely. Whether you're, a student, a teacher, a doctor, an engineer, or simply a curious citizen, your voice matters.
Yeah.
Engage in the conversation, share your ideas, and help us create a future where AI empowers us all.
This has been an incredible journey. Exploring the world of AI, we've seen how it's changing our lives for the better and how it holds even greater promise for the future. So as we sign off, we encourage you to keep exploring, keep learning, and keep imagining the possibilities. Who knows what incredible AI-powered innovations await us just around the corner. Thanks for joining us.
Thanks, everyone.